We have an hour to clean up and get ready to go to the rainforest. This is the mess that I'm procrastinating. And I wanted to show this drink, this Inca Cola.
Can you see my drink? Hot water.
Mine's tea, green tea. We got this drink yesterday. There's like t-shirts with this everywhere. And it tastes like I don't know. Keely said it has Red Bull flavors to it, and I agree with that. It just tastes like fake candy.
Yeah.
Also, in Colombia, there's a soda called Colombiano, or whatever, and it tastes like that. Look at the sweater I got yesterday. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. The guy told us not to bring our alpaca sweaters to the rainforest because they're going to get mildewy, but... Sorry, Daniel. Alright, I guess sorry for us. Sorry for our sweaters. Oh, I love the colors! So cute. Where's my hat? And I also got this hat. This was $3. This was $12. This was my poncho. Oopsies. I'm sure this will come up in a video later of me wearing this. This poncho was like $17. Oh, and then I got this shirt. This t-shirt. You like my t-shirt?
Me?
Yeah. On our Uber, on the way to our bus, to go to the Amazon. It's probably gonna be a bumpy ride. I have some nausea medicine. I have milk, because I didn't finish my milk. Don't drink that on the bus. Everyone on the bus are people that are joining like our volunteer program. So we're gonna go meet those people also.
I'm not sure it's everyone.
No?
Yeah, because why would he assign us seats otherwise?
Because he's weirdly anal like that. Why would he know the names of random people that were on that bus?
The other, like, he assigned us those specific seats, but then there's other seats that are not assigned to us.
Shit. Oh, really? I didn't notice that. Okay, well, I guess we'll see. Let's go.
Oh yeah, that's so funny. He put everyone else's regular picture.
But our passport. It's because we were late, I think.
Yeah, how long ago? That is really beautiful.
Remember Puerto Rico?
Puerto Rico was more beautiful.
Yeah, it was actually. Yay, I love seeing these areas. Yay. The good flavor. Gusto's flavor. Kind of. Here. Gusto. Bakery thing. Okay. Okay. Let me get some money. Let's offer 5 souls and ask her to pick things for us. Oh, I'm so excited to see what I hope she picks something interesting and not just regular bread. I hope she picks something sweet. This is so cute.
I wonder if Cinco was a lot. It's probably a lot.
Yeah, it's a good amount. We can share.
We're gonna have a buffet.
Yeah. We can eat in the rainforest tonight. Let's go bakery. Let's go.
I wonder if we gave her too much. Oh well.
5.
Sí.
Y ahí está grandes, 10 está. Chuta.
Such big breads. Yeah.
I know. Maybe we should.
Whole...
Do they have other things that are interesting? I guess we don't know.
Get out. You want to get out?
My shoes are buried under. I do though. Let's see it, Kaylee. Wait, I want to see it.
¿Quieres compartir? Okay.
Gracias.
You can have some. We can all try some.
Kaylee. I can't believe she's showing everyone. I can't believe you're showing everyone else before me. I want to see it. It's just bread.
I mean, it looks great.
I'm really excited to look at it. I kept getting impatient. I want to taste it. Let's taste the small one. You think they're all the same? It's sweet. What does it taste like? I love it. You can't give any other one. Okay. It's like a cloud, delicious, slightly sweet. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's like. And it's like. Okay, I'm being a little dramatic, right? It's just like. It's just like so slightly sweet, like the slightest bit, like a. We're taking a rest stop. Damn, I want to go in there. Oh, bathroom. This place is chill. The bathroom is really gross, and I don't think it has toilet paper. It doesn't have soap. And you have to go get water from the bucket to flush. I think I'm gonna not go. Cool place. I'm so happy to finally see fruits everywhere. But now we're going somewhere where there's fruit, so I'm not gonna buy any. I know. Wow, look at that. Oh, I've never seen eyes this color before on a dog. Look here, puppy. Wow, what is that? I don't know what that is, but I want it.
Assuming it's cheese.
Cheese? Is este queso? See? Yay, Keely, there's finally fruits. Oh, let's look over here, more fruits. Oh, I want some dragon fruit. Kaylee, these are kind of ripe. I gotta stop for it. Getting 2 oranges and some sugar mangoes.
I like know like most things, but like bag and like little like minuscule things. I'm like, oh.
I really want some yellow dragon fruit, but yeah, everywhere. Because I need a knife.
What were your names again? Sorry.
Kaylee and Melissa.
Kaylee and Melissa. I'm Kira. Yeah.
Let's.
Yeah, I know. And then
Oh, we can eat that on the bus. It's so cool down here. I really want to try one of these red pineapple things. I had to take my nausea medicine because this bus ride is insane. I guess we were warned. It's the worst angle of existence. Can I eat one? Mmm. Such a huge piece. I never had a giant clementine before. Whoa. I know. Look at this part. I know. That's crazy. What does it taste like? More. It's so good. I'll eat my own. Or you? I got them to share with you. Okay. You want to share both? Mm-hmm. Okay. ¿Cómo se llama? Granadilla. Granadilla. I love it. Isn't the texture so fun? The texture is good. I like how it's crunchy. It's like frog eggs.
No, calendario. Trabajo calendario.
I'm gonna take my nausea medicine. This trip is insane. Very intense. Alright, we're off with Captain Sheldon. doing? We're in the clouds. Silly dog. The fuck? What? Why is there a dog in the clouds? We're like in a whole different place.
I think he just gave some lady some bread, and that's why we stopped.
Really?
I think so.
Yeah, this is a lot like Kenya in some ways.
The more south you go, kind of like that plane. Yeah, it's the same as Australia. Okay. It makes it sound like it's not served regularly.
We've arrived. This is it. Oh my gosh, we have our own room. Wow, I love it. It's so cute, Kaylee. Oh my god, we have our cute little own room. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Alright, let's go to the bathroom. Then we're having a meeting as a group. And I have milk in my bag. Oh, there's toilet paper here. I guess we bring it to the toilet. Okay. Kaylee, how do you feel? What's your impression?
I packed the wrong type of clothes.
Dan, do you have any kind of short sleeves and short pants? A couple. I have I have a lot of short sleeves you can wear. I don't have a lot of shorts, but honestly, you probably.
I have a few.
Hmm?
I have a few.
I have a lot of shirts. So. Okay, let's have a laundry pile. Oh, I'm just gonna organize everything. Oh, these leaves. Where should the ukulele go? We're gonna have to play this one day, so I feel like I got some use out of it. Right here. Our fruit. We made these mangoes tonight. I'm kind of happy we got some food. I don't know what kind of snacks they have here. Alright, pillow. I'm so well rested right now. That's funny. I feel like I'm so awake, my eyes like bulging out of my head. I think I slept like 3 hours. So we're going to have a little meeting with the boss guy. He's so nice. So yeah, I'm packing a bit, and then he said 10 minutes. Okay, 6:20.
We're gonna have to do stuff. We work in the Hummingbird Park again, and then it's Cesar's birthday. Then you stopped in this little town, and now we are here in this little town. Now we are here in the town of Pelcofata. So this is where the hive is, and then each day we start to. You will get all of this.
Like the thing you had the other day.
It does. But this looks better, actually.
Yeah, I agree. Counter. You got this, Kaylee.
It's our second encounter.
Our first encounter inside the house. What are we gonna do? It was crawling in my fucking arm. For that, you deserve death.
Alright.
I can't kill it. I'm too scared.
What are you scared of?
I don't know. Confrontation?
Do you dare me to kill it?
I don't know. What else are we gonna do? Is it stuck in our room? Yeah, it's stuck in our room. Now it can crawl. I think you need to kill it, Kaylee. I don't know. Bye-bye. This is our second encounter with a wildlife. It's a little toad inside her rib. Jesus Christ.
Sure you're gonna be able to do it?
I'm gonna take it outside. I'm gonna take this frog outside. All right, Kaylee. What? Sorry.
Oh, cutie patootie, stop.
Okay, take it outside.
So cute, he's so cute. Okay. He's there. Okay, don't step on him.
Okay, I'm gonna go shower now. Bye. Ciao.
Okay.
Like this?
No, when it opens its window. Wings. Debrief of the day before I turn off the lights. We share a building with all the other people, and everyone's asleep, even though it's 10 p.m. So all the bugs are flying to our light. All right, we're gonna go to Kaylee's bed to do a debrief. Yeah, I think I should come under. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To make sure I went quick.
What?
So I didn't let any bugs in.
The bugs swallowed it for a second.
Let's talk about our day. So first, we woke up. We thought we were late. We ran to the bus stop, but then we weren't late because they were leaving 50 minutes after we went there.
Which is good.
Yeah, so
That he
good.
did it like that.
Yeah, I'm really
For
glad.
people like us.
Yeah,
Really.
yeah, it was very good. That bus ride was crazy. I slept. Did you sleep at all? How was it? Since you experienced the whole thing. Beautiful.
Beautiful the whole way.
The cloud part was really scary, actually.
It
Did
was
you
really
find?
beautiful? It was really dramatic.
And then I kind of missed like the mountains into the rainforest. Like I missed the transition. But then it was so beautiful when we got to the rainforest. I kind of wish I was awake for it, but the nausea medicine I took put me to sleep. So we did that. That was like 6 hours. It was like honestly, that was all day. Then we got here. I really like it. I feel so happy. It's such a nice environment. The weather's nice. I like the weather. Do you like the weather? Yeah. I mean, I don't know until tomorrow during the day. Maybe it'll be really hot, but so far it's really nice weather. And I really missed the green. I didn't think I would miss it, but I really missed it. And we got here, and the owner guy, he's really nice and organized, and he showed us around our room that we showed you. They served us some food, some soup, un minuto soup, I think, and some kind of like chicken and vegetable stir fry thing with rice.
It was so good.
It was really good. I ate all of it. My stomach was so full. I'm gonna get in the habit of wearing my retainer this week and brushing my teeth at night because I have an addiction to eating food right before bed. But since I can't eat food in the room, it's a good time to get this.
Did you put your retainer in?
Yeah, I did. For the first time in a long time, my teeth are really crooked. So I'm gonna try to do that every single day this week until we leave, and hopefully again too. This week is gonna be all about me trying to get into healthy habits. And then he told us about the different projects he has. So one we're doing tomorrow, which is the animal conservation, animal refuge. I don't know. I don't know what we do there. I don't know what we do in any of them. So there's that one, and then there's one that works with the indigenous people in the community, and then there's another one that helps reforest a deforested area, and then there's another one that conserves one from getting deforested. Old growth, yeah. So those are the 4 projects that we're gonna help with. And it was so detailed, and the town is so tiny. He gave us a little map of the whole town. I can't wait to explore. That's what I want to do tomorrow if we have time, and buy fruits, even though there's not a lot of fruits here. The people are nice. There are 7 people altogether, all girls, which is kind of nice. Yeah, we gotta wake up. We have breakfast tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. See how it goes. We got some rubber boots. And then we're going to the rainforest. I got burned. Can I show this? That's my third motorbike burn on my leg. I put some cream on it. I'm a little worried about going into the creek with it, with all the parasites and stuff like that. Yeah. Something of note. Everyone's really impressed with our Spanish. Our Spanish is actually better than most people's here. Isn't that crazy?
Not most people's here.
Most tourists.
Okay.
Yeah, most tourists here. And we get to be the translators. Sometimes, occasionally. Are you sleepy?
Yeah.
I'm so awake. I slept so much on the bus. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna turn off all the lights and go on my computer and do work, but then my computer is gonna be the only light on in this whole building. And it's just gonna be me and the bugs in my bed. Oh, I wanted to read did you read the Snake and Spider Protocol?
Mm-hmm.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
I have to read it. Can you give me some highlights?
They don't fully make sense.
So he gave us guidelines on what to do if we get bit by a snake or a spider. What do we do?
For a snake,
Uh-huh.
basically you just have to call for assistance and keep calm.
Okay.
I don't really.
Who do we call?
Him, or he gave you some numbers. And then for a spider, you're supposed to elevate it. I don't think you're supposed to use a tourniquet for either. But I don't really remember. I feel like I need a test.
You need a
I
test.
need a test, so
Alright, I'll read it and I'll test you
test
later.
myself.
I'll read the protocols. He says you have to be very, very unlucky for this to happen to you.
But there's two types of spiders, and the one with yellow at the bottom is the dangerous one.
I'm scared of that spider.
And the other one is scary looking, but doesn't do anything.
I'm really scared of that spider too. I'm gonna scream if I see that spider. What are you gonna wear tomorrow? I'm wearing a tank top and pants and socks.
Leggings. A short sleeve shirt, probably. Sneakers,
No, rain boots.
maybe.
Don't we have to?
I don't know.
Yeah, the shower was cold, but it wasn't bad. I'll probably start showering during the daytime. It's probably warm during the day.
Probably.
Just, oh god, it's gonna be so hot. Oh no, I'm gonna regret what I said. Anything else about our day?
The fruits.
The fruits. We did go to
The market.
the little market. Kaylee tried granadillas for the first time. She really likes it.
It's so good.
They're so good. They're like little frog eggs. I was obsessed with them when I discovered them. He said that there's not a lot of fruits here because it's not like super developed, so you know how like fruits were before, like we injected them with steroids. That's how the fruits are here. And it's more of like a hunter-gatherer culture than a like settled making fruits better culture.
Farming? Agriculture?
Yeah. What else? I want to practice some Spanish. This is so nice. This is like the first time I've had like peace, I feel like. I don't know why I haven't had peace anywhere else, but I feel peace right now. I feel like I can meditate, and usually I feel like I can't meditate.
Meditate yourself to sleep.
That's a lot. So yeah, that was our day. That's the end of the vlog today. I never actually end vlogs anymore, but now I will. What's on my phone? Do I skim or something? Okay. Good night, Kaylee.
Good night, Melissa.
Good night, vlog.
Good night, Melissa's friends.